Hello, welcome to Neem's classroom. Today we are going to discuss environmental science question paper, an old question paper, second term question paper 2019-20. I'm sure this will help many children to score good marks. Activity 1, Bird Watch. A bird watching camp was conducted in Chinnu's school. They saw many different birds. Some of the birds they found in the school surroundings are given below. Write the name of the birds. So they have given picture, children. 4 pictures have been given. First one, it is very easy. As you know, it is duck. Second one also very easy, eagle. Third one is water hen, children. And fourth is crane. Now let us move on to the B part. Write the names and physical features of any two birds and complete the table. So from the picture given, you can choose two birds. One already they have given, that is eagle. Physical features, curved beak, sharp nails they have given. Advantages, to snatch its prey and to tear it. So they have given the advantage and two physical features. So like that we can give for duck, flat beak you can give, then webbed feet. Flat beak helps to gather food from water, then webbed feet help to swim in water. Then you can write about the crane. As you know, crane has got long legs, isn't it? Then long beak also. So long legs help it to step in water, stand in water, and long beak help it to catch the prey from water. Now part C, which is a migratory bird? Put a tick mark. So crow, golden oriole, eagle, parrot. As you know, golden oriole is a migratory bird. Now let us move on to activity 2. Description on the art forms of Kerala are included in Chinnu's school magazine. The pictures of art forms in the magazine are given below. Look at the pictures and write their names. So first one, as you know, it is easy, it is Margankali. Second one, you can see sticks in their hand, so it is Kolkali. Then the next one is Theyyam. By looking at the dressing, you can know that it is Theyyam. Now, next one is Kathakali. It is very famous and you all are very familiar, isn't it? Now look at this picture. We know that it is Hamsa Damayanti, isn't it? And we have studied that it is a work of world famous painter of Kerala, Raja Ravi Varma. Let's move on to question number C. Write a description on any one of the art forms. First one is a picture of Tiruvadirakali. Second is Oppana. So you can write 3 or 4 lines about Tiruvadirakali and Oppana. Any one. You need to write only about one. Now Tiruvadirakali, you know that it is performed by Kerala women. Then they dance in circular movement, clapping hands with each other, isn't it? And it is performed in the Malayalam month of Dhanu on Tiruvadira Nakshatram. And how do they decorate their hair? We know that they decorate their hair with Dashapushpam. Now next is Oppana. As you know, it's art form of Muslims in Kerala. Then it is performed in houses in connection with marriage. That is, it is performed during marriage time. Then it is performed by clapping palms in a rhythmic order or according to the tune of the song. Activity 3, let's find out. Look at the materials given below. So what are the materials given below? Balloon, glass tumbler, incense stick, paper cup, thread, cardboard, pea seeds, long stick. Now we have studied 2 experiments using this, isn't it? One was with balloon, then paper cup, pea seed, long stick, thread. Another was with glass tumbler, incense stick, and cardboard. So the first experiment with balloon, paper cup, pea seed, long stick, and thread was to prove that air has weight. Then the next was to prove that smell spreads through air. So first let us write the any one. You need to write only one, children. Okay. So the first experiment let us write. Now see, how will you begin? Take a long stick and hang a big balloon at one end and paper cup at the other end. Tie a thread at the middle of the stick and hang it like a balance. As the balloon is filled with air, that part of the balance hangs down. To balance the weight of the balloon, put pea seeds into paper cup. Make sure that weight on both sides are equal. Now the balance stands horizontal. The weight of the balloon with air and paper cup with pea seeds are equal. From this we understand air as weight. So this is the first experiment. Now next experiment is using the glass tumbler, cardboard and incense stick. So here what do we do? Take a glass tumbler, collect the smoke of the incense stick, cover it with the cardboard. Now when the cardboard is raised, the smoke from the glass comes up. We get the smell of the incense stick as it spreads through the air. So here we prove that the smell spreads through the air. That is by a process called diffusion, etc., that you will learn in your higher classes, children. So any one of these experiments you can write a note on this, any one of these experiment. Now look at the next activity B. The table below is related to states of matter. Complete the table. So objects, definite shape, yes, no, you have to write. Weight, yes, no, you have to write. Then space to exist, needed or not needed, that you have to write, and state of that matter. So first one they have given, that is stone. Definite shape, yes. Weight, yes, it has got weight. Space to exist, yes, needed. Now status, it is solid. Now the next one they gave is oil. So whether it has got definite shape or not, we know that liquids don't have definite shape. So you can write there no. What about weight? Yes, it has got weight, isn't it? So you should write yes. And what about the space? Yes, needed. Now state of matter is liquid. Oil is liquid in state. Now look at the next. Next is vapor. What about definite shape? No. Air also doesn't have a definite shape. So you should write no. Then weight. What about weight? Yes, it has got weight. We have studied that. Now space to exist. Yes, it needs space. So needed. Now what is the state? Gas. So you should fill it like that. Now look at activity 4, the crescent. Draw the moon and the earth and show new moon day and full moon day. Now here we can see new moon day, how you have to draw. After sun you have to draw the moon, then earth, all three in a line. Look here, because the part of the moon facing the sun doesn't face the earth, so we cannot see the moon. That is new moon day. Now look at the full moon. After sun, earth should come. Then the moon. So the part of the moon that faces the sun faces the earth. So earth can, from earth we can see the full moon. That is Paurnami. So new moon day is called Amavasi and full moon day is called Paurnami. Now let us see activity 5, art and music. Look at the picture, write the name of art form as a heading and note down its features. So here children, from the picture we can understand that it is a picture of Ottandullal. So you should write some of its features there. So what can you write? You can write that it is a popular art form of Kerala. Then who had developed it? It was developed by Kunjan Nambyar. Then three main types of Tullal are Parayan Tullal, Sheetangan Tullal and Ottan Tullal. Then it is a solo dance form, isn't it? It is performed by one person. It is famous for its simplicity and humor. Now look at the next. Read the following and complete the columns suitably. So it is given the art form originated in Kerala. Raja Ravivarma, ruler who was a musician, Swati Thirunal, Omanathingal Kidavo, Kathakali, painting, Maplapattu, Moyin Kutti Vaidyar, Irayaman Thambi. So these are the different things given in strips of paper. Did you see? So you should make them match the following. So the first one has been done for you. That is the art form originated in Kerala. Kathakali. We know that Kathakali is also called king of art forms, isn't it? Now you can take each one and match it. Now let us take Raja Ravivarma. If you are taking Raja Ravivarma, the next side you should write he was a great painter of Kerala, isn't it? So painting you should write. Then next is if we are taking Swati Thirunal, who was he? He was ruler who was a musician. So you should write that. Then Irayaman Thambi, if you are taking, you should match it with Omana Tingal Kidavu. We know that Omana Tingal Kidavu was written by Irayaman Thambi. Now Moyin Kutti Vaidyar. Then you should match it with Mapila Pattu. We know that he was the one who popularized Mapila Pattu. Now put a tick on King of Arts, which is called the King of Arts. We all know that Kathakali is known as the King of Arts. Now let us move on to the last activity, My Kerala. Look at the map of Kerala, write the directions. So on the top you should mark the directions. You know that top of the map shows north, bottom shows south, then your right hand side shows east and left hand side shows west. So you should mark the directions first. Now look at the symbols on the map and answer the following questions. So what are symbols? We know that they are pictures, they can be letters or they can be lines that is used on the map for different to represent different features, isn't it, on the map. So here when you look at the map of Kerala, you can see small aeroplane picture in which all districts in Kannur you can see Malappuram, Ernakulam and Thiruvananthapuram. That means those four places are having airports. Now see in the district of Kozhikode and Ernakulam you can also see picture of a ship, small picture. So those two districts have harbors. As you know, harbor is a place where ship shelter. Now let us see the question. Identify your district and color it. All the districts, they have given the names of all the districts. So northmost is Kasargod and southmost Thiruvananthapuram. And you have the rest of the districts marked there. So it is very easy to identify your district and then you should color it. Now next question. Name two districts with airport. Actually four districts are there. Which are there? Thiruvananthapuram, Ernakulam, Malappuram and Kannur. So you can write any two. Now look at the next question. Two districts with harbors. So we know that two districts with harbors are Kozhikode, and Ernakulam. I hope, children, all these things are clear to you. Now, did you see some of the common symbols? This also you can note. First one you know, and second one also we have seen. Now look at the third one, that is capital city of Kerala, which is it, Thiruvananthapuram. And look at the next symbol that shows the district which do not have railway lines. And we know there two districts are like that in Kerala, that is Wayanad and Idukki. So please note these facts too. We have come to the end of this question paper discussion. Hope it helps you. If you like, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.